How did you learn Tagalog? How did you learn Tagalog?
How did you learn?
How, where, why, and when did you learn Tagalog?
How do you find it?
I lived in Philippines.
Ah.
2009, also 2011.
2009 to 2011.
I had work.
Great.
in
Work.
Philippines.
Yeah, he used to work there, and you know that band Freestyle? His friend.
Oh.
Yeah.
So baby, before I let you
Exactly.
go.
So that's it. Sino pa ba? Ikaw na dala. Ikaw na yung pinaka-last. Dala, ako'y ginoo ko.
Ay pagpakawaw ni ate. Ay pagpakawaw ni ate.
Sa ate, Huwag na kagnaw mo ikso. Palawa ka ng kapatid din na come.
Come, ate, go!
Ako na lang muna.
Kaot yung microphone.
Kanta sa ko.
Sing a song for us. Mariah.
No, Beyonce.
Yeah, sing and dance performance level.
Ayaw nyo. Ano ba yung, what song is that?
Single lady
Around the world is
around the world.
I'm gonna sing
One-
my favorite song, All at Once. Ang sing na unang panahon. All at Once na kasi, you know, I love Whitney Houston. And when she died, she died. I can't control it. I couldn't, cannot, can't. Sige na, ano bang tayo ko dahil? All at Once muna.
Ka single ladies. Okay, okay.
Sige lang alam ko, na kayong maalam.
Nanao?
Ha?
Karaoke instrumental.
Yan na.
Okay.
Tama ba? Hello? Sure. Hello ka! Hello ka! Kamkamak ka!
Mata!
Oh my
What
God.
ka?
I studied Thai for 3 months, both writing and conversation. Kapasan mo naman, te. Sorry, Bruno. I would like to dedicate this song to the birthday girl.
Muna na siya.
All at once, I found it took a moment, and I realized that
Ada.
no, don't come back, and it finally hit me all at once.
Sa ikaw ba yan?
Giant! Giant!
I started counting teardrops, and I leave them there. All because it's slow. Yes, I continue. Gonna die, yes! Dali na, Pauline!
Go, Pauline! Go, Pauline!
No. Wait, di na lang yung data ng mga kumanta. Okay, let's go now. Let's start the program. Let's play a game now. Let's play a game. Hindi nga ako na. Hindi ako na kumanta. Let's play a game now. Okay, so very simple. The mechanic is like, yung bang sabi mo lang longest, hininga yung happy birthday. Sino yung pinakamahabang magsalita? Yun ang makakabit-bit ng spaghetti.
I-ready ng spaghetti.
Ready ang spaghetti, baby. Tapos yung timer. Oh, let's start with Pauline. Happy birthday na sabihin. Okay.
Ano ba? Happy birthday na?
May timer.
Timer, tita.
Timer, tita.
Oh,
Kung sinong pinakamahabang magsabi ng happy birthday, yun ang makabit-bit ng leche flan.
Leche talaga yan.
Happy birthday.
Wala.
Tapos message
Wala.
na.
Tala lang, timer.
Ready? Saan mo kukunin yung powers
Lakas
sa
mo.
bulok?
Wala na akong buhok eh, gaga.
Okay, ready? Happy birthday! Naganahan ko. Kailan na?
Ilang oras?
3 seconds.
3 seconds raw.
3 seconds? 3 seconds?
Tala, tala.
Wala.
Sana.
Wala.
Wala. Ano na lang, practice lang yun. Okay. Wala, practice lang yun. Sample
Wala
lang
po,
yun.
wala man diri ako, anak. Asa man diri?
Siya timer sa iyang self. Daog na ka.
Balik.
Sige,
Let's
sige.
start up.
Warm up pa to dai, warm up.
Warm up pa lang to warm up.
Sige.
Are you ready? Okay,
Wala
go.
na pod time.
Laki yung hurot ang spaghetti.
Leche gito. Ikaw na leche.
Yan lang. 12 minutes. 12 seconds lang.
12 hours sleep.
Uy, lista nyo kasi kung totoo, di ba, tita, spaghetti? Meron ko ba dyan?
I-check nga, i-check.
Ano ba
Paki-check.
spaghetti? Spaghetti at saka yung Tupperware. So, 12 seconds. Next, Angelica. Pag-ganyan kasi yan, Day. Hindi naman pwede pag-ganyan. Ano yan yung mga international? Dito man tayo sa local. From Pampanga. Dali na. Okay, ready? Birthday happy.
Baliktad.
Happy birthday.
Wala birthday na lang kamupan.
Okay, go.
Angel.
What's that?
Spaghetti.
Umba na niya, umba.
Lasad kayo si Pauline. Sad na kay si Pauline. Diyos.
Spaghetti, ano ron. Pansit Canton yun na ron.
Now I know. What? 24 to 23. 24 seconds. Oh my God.
Break na break na.
Now I know.
Hindi na rin ko.
Kenneth?
Anak yun.
Now I
Sumakas
know.
bayan. Very long bayagod. Happy birthday.
Diba? Now I know. The power of 2. Next, Romeo.
Boy.
Grabe ang hangin nito, Day. Pag hindi pa nawalan to ng ano.
Make your
Wala.
Tita Ram, make your Filipino boyfriend proud. Unfortunately, he's not here. He's in the He's in the Philippines,
What?
but he'll be back.
What's the voice?
Grabe,
Birthday acrobatic.
vocalize.
Martian, di mo to pang spaghetti, pang humba man to eh.
Vocalization.
Mabuking mo po taon.
Next level tayo.
Okay.
Next level.
Happy birthday!
2 seconds. Wala pa rin mga Clorox.
Sa likod na to, oy.
3 seconds. Pila to?
One ra, oy.
1.5. 3 seconds. 2. Okay, next. Ikaw muna. Sumisalala ko eh. Ikaw muna. Ako si nanay. Piling ito si nanay mo.
Pag di na young girl, kung award niya.
Okay.
Pwede pang fruit salad.
Para si mamili dapat. Magsayad ni ha.
Ang makadaog ay 3 minutes.
Pag umabot ka ng, ganito na, pag umabot ng 24 seconds, leche flan. Pag 25 seconds, salad.
Ako sa po.
Umabot ka ng 150 seconds, buong handa na yan dahil.
Ako sa po.
Pabalik.
Trial ko na siya.
Pwede mo so? Ang bomba, seriously.